Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. A little bit of an update, quick video on this right here. Well, it's coming. It's not actually a bad kit at all. Not a bad kit at all. I was really impressed with this one. Up until now, I've had no issues with it. And, she's ready to go together. I have a few things. I gotta put the MSD box in. Back bumper. The hood. I think this is the rearview mirror. Steering box. Chrome trim for the hood. And the body is right here. There's the body. I just got the windows put in it. So they're kinda like drying. It was, black wasn't the color. It was supposed to be red. But after I sprayed the rims, something happened to the can and it just spit paint all over it. I changed the nozzle on it and everything. It just destroyed it. So I put it in a purple pond. I got it out yesterday. And it got gloss black, clear coated, and that's how it's going. I didn't do the trim here, mainly because I don't feel like it. It's rough. I mean, really rough. You can see in the light that it's pitted. It's pitted really bad. I mean, that paint just ate up. If I had left it on there, probably would have ate it. Just coming along. Assembly of the kit, beautiful, no problems. No problems at all. Engine's where it's supposed to be. The only thing I don't like is the headers on this. But I'm not gonna complain. It's an AMG 62 Belair. Alright, everybody. Be safe out there. Have a good Friday. And we'll see you probably Sunday with the reveal. Alright, thanks. Bye.